What is the Teacher Inquiry Strand of the Florida Education Research Association, or FERA? In this brief video, you will become familiar with what FERA is, what Teacher Inquiry is, what the history of the Teacher Inquiry Strand has been at the FERA Annual Conference, and what topics will be covered in this course. FERA is the Florida Education Research Association. It was founded in 1959. FERA is an affiliated member of the American Education Research Association, or AERA. The leadership team and members of FERA are made up of K-12 and university education research professionals in Florida. The annual conference for FERA is usually held in November and lasts for 3 days. FERA publishes a journal featuring current education research in Florida, including a teacher inquiry section. And FERA hosts a helpful website where you can find detailed information about its history, past and present leadership members, access archives of the journal and past conference agendas, as well as current calls for conference presentations and journal submissions. Now, let's answer the question, what is teacher inquiry? A simple yet powerful definition of teacher inquiry is the systematic, intentional study of one's own professional practice. Teacher inquiry often begins when a teacher poses a wondering question about some aspect of their practice, something they would like to understand better. This is often a tension and can be referred to as a problem of practice. After developing a wondering, teachers often seek out literature and research from others to begin learning about the area of their practice they want to study. Teacher inquiry also involves systematic data collection designed to help the teacher learn about their wondering question. Data collection should include several sources of data and can be qualitative and quantitative data. Data analysis is an opportunity for teachers to look across their data set for patterns or themes to emerge, revealing new learning related to their wondering. After teachers name what they learned from their data analysis, they reflect on how this new knowledge or understanding will impact their practice. What shifts, whether minor or major, will they implement based on what they learned? The final stage of the teacher inquiry cycle is when teachers share their learning with others. This can have different scopes, from sharing with people at their school to presenting at state, national, and even international conferences. Before moving on, it is important to point out that while this graphic implies the inquiry cycle moves from one stage to the next, inquiry is often complex to honor the complicated work teachers and students do together. Sometimes teacher inquirers will revise their wondering after beginning data collection, or seek out new literature as they begin to learn from their data. Teacher inquirers honor this complexity by systematically and intentionally tracking these moves as they engage in inquiry. Now, let's look at the history of the teacher inquiry strand at the FERA Annual Conference. The FERA Annual Conference has included a teacher inquiry strand since 2017. Looking at the archives from past conferences, we can see that teacher inquiry presentations have included a wide range of topics and contexts in K-12 environments. Here are 4 example titles of teacher inquiry presentations. Collaboration, Multisensory Instruction, and Intrinsic Motivation, a Case for Accelerated Learning. Balancing the Equation, Using Socratic Dialogue in a Middle School Mathematics Classroom. Providing STEM opportunities to Black students in an underserved Black community. And Science Through Art, arts-based projects and depth of science knowledge in early elementary. What will you learn in this course? Module 1 will explain indicators of high-quality teacher inquiry. Module 2 will show the steps required to submit a proposal to the teacher inquiry strand of the FERA Annual Conference. And Module 3 will provide strategies for preparing a presentation for the teacher inquiry strand of the FERA Annual Conference. Is this course for me? Are you an experienced teacher inquirer in Florida who would like to take the next steps in sharing your work with others? Then yes, this course is for you, and we are excited to support you to submit a proposal, prepare a presentation, and share your presentation at FERA. Within this course, there is a course navigation bar that allows you to move forward, backward, pause, and continue through the course. Also, the navigation bar includes an icon to access the table of contents. The table of contents shows the order of content and activities, the time required for each part, and shows your progress through the course and allows you to control the order in which you proceed through the course. Thank you for viewing this brief introduction, which explained what FERA is, what teacher inquiry is, the history of teacher inquiry at the FERA annual conference, and what you will learn in this course.